Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get money fast. So first, you're going to pull out a hot dog stand, a lemonade stand, a ice cream truck, anything you have, and you're going to set the price to as high as you can. And then, so I'm setting it to 50. And then press set, and you're just going to go AFK, and then people is gonna buy your hot dogs or lemonade or ice cream. Yeah, so we're going AFK, and I am in a public server. So we're zooming out so we can just see people. Oh, here's someone. Oh, oh wait, are they coming back for me? No. Okay. Well then. Uh, so next thing, you're going to go to your home and you're gonna build a shop. I recommend getting the shop house, and you can also change the sign. So here's the house. I'm gonna change the sign. See, my shop is for like pets and pet wear and stuff. Yeah. Let's see. I'm just gonna change it to something random like the disco ball, and then that's what it will look like. So, um, then people know what your shop's about or something like that. And you can change it to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to Hermie. And yeah, but you have to have whatever item or pet you're changing it to. Anyway, we're going to come in here. And this is my shop. I've got toys and pet wear here. And I've got pets and eggs. And here's my cash register. So you're going to need something for them to pay you on. And then, if you want, you can buy these things or even offer for them in my next giveaway. But, anyway, then, yeah. So, I'm gonna show you guys. You can also, have people donate to you. So, like, if you have a hot dog stand or something, and you can just, like, put a sign that says, please donate. My screen is frozen. Never mind. Okay, so then you can just put up a sign that says, like, please donate or something. So all you have to do is search draw if you're having trouble searching for signs that you can write on. And we're just gonna buy a simple sign. It took me a really long time to build this house, so I would really appreciate it if you guys maybe bought some things from it. And also in my next giveaway, I'm giving away a golden unicorn. Okay, so you're gonna put please donate, and yeah, don't be afraid to have people donate. And so then you're gonna come out here, and then you're gonna pull out a pet. I'm just gonna pull out my golden unicorn, and you're gonna just dress up and switch to baby. Now you're gonna get back out your pet, and now just take care of it. And now you get double the money. And I just got $20. And yeah, so you'll get double the money this way. And so I'm saving up for the boat because I just spent a lot of money on my shop house. I'm really hoping that I can get the boat soon. But anyway, you're gonna switch to an adult. And yeah, so there's so many ways you can earn money fast in Adopt Me, but these are the ways I do it. And anyway, now you're gonna edit house, stuff, and you're gonna type in speed. Because a lot of people, look, they don't know about the speed potion. And this is how you can get it free without having to buy it. Well, you're technically still buying it, but still. So this is going to take a minute to do. So I'm just going to like walk around a little bit, but yeah. So it's brewing the potion, and it's giving you a speed potion. So here's my upstairs. I'm going to make this like maybe a food court or something. I don't know what I'm going to make it. And so, yeah. I'm just simply waiting. Okay, so I'm going to look at all my pets. You guys can buy anything you want, just some of them are unavailable currently. And you will get a little, like, words will pop up at the bottom of your screen when the potion is done. Just so you know, so you're not having to go check on it constantly. So, anyway, it feels like it's been a minute. Oh, hi. And see, it says your hyper speed potion has finished brewing. And yeah, so then you're going to go to edit house, and you're just going to simply delete it for full price, and you'll get all your money back. Free potion. I'm gonna maybe lock my door because nothing is for sale right now. Bye guys.